You guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Parshvika. Today video topic is how to make brochure. It's kind of like a tutorial. It's been a long time since I made the tutorial on this channel showcasing you how to design a particular product, but here we are. I'm going to show you how to design a brochure. Brochure has in total 6 sides. Like if you open the brochures, the ups, like the front has the 3 different layers and the back has the 3 different layers. So in total 6 sides or 6 layers, whatever you call it, but technically it's only 2, but since we fold the brochure, so that's why I'm going to explain to you how it is on the computer rather than just me blabbering here. So let's dive in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification. I have a cool products waiting for you right now, guys. The links are in description. The courses, guides, workbooks, ebooks, planners, everything to help you guys make money on the different platforms. Yes, it does really work. Some are free, some are paid. If you're interested, check it out. The links are in description. Anyways, currently on the Zazzle right now. I'm not going to sign on to Zazzle. I'm just going to show you without signing on to the Zazzle. So we're going to go over to the option create your own, and we are looking for brochures. So probably I'm going to go to the create your own, and I'm not going to sign into the brochure. I'm just designing it to show you guys. Okay. So let me see if here I find the brochures, or maybe I just type here the brochures. So brochure, I hope the spelling is right. Okay, yeah, okay, here we are with the brochures. Yep, this one is the trifold brochure. So we have the bifold as well and the trifold as well. So I'm going to show you the trifold one. Okay, you can see the different things. So click over to the add your design here. Okay, and since we are not signing into the computer, I haven't signed into my account, so you're not gonna see anything over here, but I'm gonna show you how to design a one. Hold on, guys. Okay, don't need to panic. These are the different layers. So we have the outside background. This is the outside. So outside right, outside middle, outside left. I hope it makes sense, guys, what I'm trying to tell you. Like as a brochure has a 3 different, if it's a trifold brochure, it's gonna have 6 layers, 3 inside and 3 outside, right? And this is the inside background. Inside we have inside right, inside middle, and inside left. So let's begin with the first, with the outside. So outside right. Okay, now you can design the brochures for literally anything and everything, so I'm gonna keep the things simple over here. Of course you can decorate it even more better than I'm doing it right now, but I'm gonna keep it simple because it's just a tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna have a brochure for Airbnb. So 4 bedroom brochures, or maybe, yeah, okay, 4 bedroom villa available right now, something like that, guys. I'm just doing it random. Okay, this is just random that's coming in my mind that I'm doing it right now. I'm going to decrease the size, maybe keep it as a 3. Okay, perfect. We can change the font as well. I can change the font to maybe bold. Oh, that works too, but I think I'm like more light random. Yeah, this one is better, right? And then scroll down, and we need to make it as a template. So don't forget to turn this option, turn this toggle button option, make it as a template object, and that's it. Of course, you can write that people can type over here that 4 bedroom villa available right now. Instead of that, they can type in their own stuff, but I'm going to keep it as a text one only because that is easy for me, right? Okay, so here we have the text. Now you can have the image over here, or you can have more text over here, whatever. So for the sake of this, I'm going to use some elements. Also, I'm going to showcase you how to use the elements. So here we are. I think I've already made a video talking about these elements: line, shapes, and frames, and grids. So we're going to be using shapes for the sake of this video. So let me see if they have something related to the house. Let's see if they have something. No, they don't have anything related to the house. Okay, no problem. Let's see what we can use here. Since I didn't sign in, so I cannot upload my own picture, but make sure you upload your picture if you want to make something like a brochure, because that's going to make more effect. And brochures has a lot of the pictures because that's what the purpose of the brochure, the information with the pictures. So I don't see any element that I can use it here. Maybe this one, something like this. And then I can change the color to maybe this green. Boom. Okay, and then I can write the text over here, available for holidays, something like that. Available for holidays. Okay. Oh, I make the spelling mistake here. Oh, sometimes I forget the spelling. Wait a second, guys. I'm gonna correct the spelling. I hope it's right now. Okay. Available for holidays. Please, guys, don't quote me on the spellings, because sometimes I do make spelling mistakes because English is not my first language. Anyways, so this is the first outside right panel, okay? And then we have the middle one. Now, in the middle one, you can put the pictures. So, or you can put the text describing about how the room look like. Like you can have the every page or every layer for the describing about the house or something like that. Guys, anything, okay? Play around with this and see how it works for you. So maybe I can write over here, kitchen with beautiful balcony. Just totally random, guys. I'm just playing around with it to show you how to design a one. Okay, and then I can have a picture of how to say, I can have a picture of kitchen here. Okay, so let me see if I have in element section something called kitchen. Probably I'm not expecting anything here, but okay, well, let it be. So here we can have the picture of the kitchen. That's the outside middle. And then we have the outside left one. So in the outside left, I could have the picture of the space outside the house, something like surrounded by beautiful lush green garden, something like that, guys. Okay, it's like I can describe about how the house look like outside of it, something like that. Makes sense, right? So this is like here, surrounded by lush green garden. Make it as a template object. Don't forget to turn this on every time, okay? And then I can have a picture of outside space, and we have actually designed the first 3 layers. So let's take a look at them. Okay, we're gonna click over to the done, and here is the first 3 layers. I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so here you can see a 4-bedroom villa available right now, kitchen with a balcony, surrounded by the beautiful lush. Okay, this is like the outside stuff. Now I think that I need to have some contact information here, right? So we're gonna go back, personalize this layer, and add something at the back of the, because usually when I see the brochures at the outside left, they have the contact information, so people can contact that person. Okay, so I can write over here contact person, contact, or for more detail, and contact, and I can put the number contact contact something totally random number. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Okay, so this is the number, and I can also place the email address www.villa.com, something like that, and click OK. So usually at the outside left, you see that the brochures have the contact information for more detail. So here we are with the contact information with the more details, and I can decrease the size. They usually don't, they're not that, okay, let me keep it this. Okay, So you have the picture of your lush green garden and then the contact information. Now let's go to the inside background. For the inside, we have first the inside left or right? Right, okay. So for the right, I'm gonna talk about the bedroom, how it's gonna look like something like that, okay? Bedroom for kids, something like that, okay? So describing about the bedroom for the kids, I'm gonna increase the size, and notice I'm only using one font in everything here. You can use the different fonts, you can use the different colors, you can change the background of the colors, like you can change the color of the background, you know what I mean? Like you can go over to the background here and you can literally change the color whatever you prefer. But I'm keeping the thing simple, so I'm keeping it as a white only. So you can have a bedroom for kids picture over here, and then we have here is the inside middle. So inside middle you can describe about the master bedroom with glitter ceiling. I don't know guys, I'm just coming with the totally random. Okay, here we are. Master bedroom with glitter ceiling, and then you can have the picture of the bedroom. Then we have this is the inside left. Now inside left you could actually describe the rest two like we describe about the bedroom for the kids and bedroom for the master. Like we described on the right hand side the kids, the 2-bedroom, and this is the 2 bedrooms. You can write anything like for luxurious bedroom with beautiful ceiling, okay, something like that. And in this like left hand side you could actually, this is the left, right? So left hand side you could actually have all the 4 pictures, something like that. So I can put some shape over here. So maybe I go back to the element, and if I can see some shape over here, let me see something that could resemble here. You can also use the grids. You can put the pictures here guys. I'm not putting the picture because I didn't sign into the account, and if I'm not signing into Zazzle account I cannot upload anything. I have to sign in, and I'm not signing in, so that's why. Let's see what we can use here. I don't know what to use here. Just looking around what I can use here. Okay, we reached to the end. I didn't find something that could work here. So maybe I would use this one. I don't know. It's totally random. But it's coming in my mind, so I'm using it here. And of course, you can change the color. You can use any color, right? So click done. And let's check out how it's looking right now. So this is like the brochure. This is the outside part. 4-bedroom villa with available right now. And this is with the kitchen outside, then the lush green garden. Like outside I take only the main part, and then the kitchen, and then the lush green, and then we have the contact details. And this is the outside look like. You can take a look at this from the different angles, how it's actually looking like. And this is the inside. The inside I have written down the 4 luxurious beautiful ceiling. Then I'm talking about the master bedroom, talking about the bedroom for the kids. So you see guys, it's so easy to design anything, literally. Let me just scroll it. So this is the brochure look like. This is exactly the brochure look like. You see how it's actually looking like, and you see the different sides. Oh, you can see all the sides here. and which one you want to prefer and how it's looking like. So it's very simple and easy to design this brochure. Let me know guys if this video is helpful. So you see guys, it's very easy and simple to design a brochure, and I didn't use any pictures because I need to sign her into the Zazzle for using the picture. Make sure you use a lot of the pictures in your brochure because brochure does have a pictures. That's the purpose of the brochure. The information with the picture with the contact details. So I didn't put the picture, but rest everything I put it there. The contact details, the information and all that stuff. So hopefully this tutorial gonna help you. It's quite simple. You can do it way more better than me because I didn't put the picture. So definitely go and put the picture by yourself. Let me know if this video is helpful to you. You want more such videos or anything like that. If you have any questions, video topics, let me know. And guys, I have resources, the links are in description if you're interested. Check it out. Thank you so much for tuning this video. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.